hello. We're back. Perspective, Mr. Fritz Wong from ZTE Mobile Device Indonesia. What is your latest product for Indonesia, for example? Which one is it?
The latest product we are going to bring in Indonesia is Steel Blade series. Up until
Steel Blade.
Yeah. And just to add up, because we have another one, Blade series.
Right.
Yeah. This one is to the massive market.
Right.
Yeah. From last year, we have brought to the country like 7 models already. Yeah.
In a year?
Yeah, in a year, all Blade series.
Right.
So this series is talking to the young people and family users.
See.
All right. So Blade series, this time we've been Blade S6. So this phone, I mean, we have put so many sensors inside of that, and we are positioned. This is fun. I mean, through this device, bring a lot of fun because provide you the gesture control.
Right.
So through some of actions, you will get some of services features. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
All right. This is one thing, and in terms of hardware, we equip with like a curved screen. Curved screen. Okay. 2.5D screen.
Right. Okay.
Which I think is no similar product available in the country yet. So we're gonna be the first. It's similar to iPhone.
Screen.
It's similar to the iPhone 6.
Okay,
I mean.
get it.
Yeah.
I get it. And what are you like future plan besides bringing a new model? Are you expanding the way you produce you're assembling here?
Yes, I think look SKD. I mean SKD assembling.
Right.
Yeah, this simple assembling we are doing now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we've been doing from last year.
Right.
Yeah, for LTE devices, and we will just. I think we will just follow the regulation.
Right.
For the local production.
Local content or local production?
Local content. Local content.
Okay.
So we had the local partner to do the local assembling for ZTE 4G devices. Yeah, and it will be kept going, I think. Yeah.
And then, what I mean is, any plan to like expand your assembly facility, or is it depending on your partner locally?
I think we help our local partner a lot. Yeah, because we provide the quality control. Yeah, so we provide the people to be based in the factory, local factory, and we help them to establish the factory line, I mean manufacturing line.
Yeah.
And also to provide them the testing instrument to test the device to make sure that it works properly. All right. And in terms of workshop, I mean it's based on we provide the guides to them and for them to calculate how much manufacturing line they need.
Okay. Yeah. So they determine themselves whether they need to.
Yeah, it's based on the demands. Yeah, it's all based on demands.
Okay.
Yeah. But I think it will be more and more. I mean, so they can. I think they are going to plan to expand the line and maybe to have a more manpower also. Right.
One thing that I didn't talk too much is the the network solution that they offer. What is it actually?
In terms of network solution, we have a fixed line.
Right.
We have wireless. Yeah. And we have cloud. Basically, we have
who are your clients in Indonesia?
In Indonesia, including, but Telkom. Yeah. Telkom Indonesia.
Oh, okay. Yeah. The provider.
Yeah. Telkom Cellular.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Indosat and Smartfren. Indonox both.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. Are our clients in terms of network infrastructure.
Also, you're talking infrastructure here.
Yeah, that is network system. We call it system.
Right.
Yeah, and including services also.
And is this growing fast enough in Indonesia in terms of market?
Particularly on 4G.
4G.
Yes, particularly on 4G. I think
4G. Who's operating 4G? Bolt is operating 4G.
Telkomsel
is operating. Are they all going to go into 4G as well?
As far as I know, all the operator has to go 4G.
Right.
Yeah. And the Techcom both is I think both is earliest.
Yeah, I think it's been 2 years or 1 year
service.
and a half.
Yeah, I mean service available to the people the first.
Yeah.
And now this year, I think Techcomcell already have start to build the network.
Yeah.
And follow by in Excel, Indosat, and SmartFriend.
So you see a bigger growth in that sense?
I think this is a potential business chance for everyone.
Right.
Yeah. On the 4G
what
development.
about ZTE?
ZTE is
because you've been here for a while, no?
Yeah, ZTE definitely on 4G. I think we are leading because before I think in 2G era, like Western Western company are leading, but now I think Chinese company are leading on 4G. We are going to surpass the Western company in 5G because
5G. I want to see my 4G working faster yet.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for sharing with us. It was an interesting conversation for me. I don't know for you guys, but next time meet again. We will, I don't know, meet with whom. But for the moment, thank you very much.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and see you again next time. Bye bye.